If you're seeing the Slack API error not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type, don't worry. This is usually a token issue, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a super common problem when you're testing Slack API requests, using a bot, or connecting Slack to another app. And the good news is that it's usually resolved by using the correct token type and refreshing your workspace access. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. From there, select the Slack app you're working with and then click into OAuth and permissions. This is the area where Slack shows you the tokens and permission settings for your app, and it's the best place to verify you're using the right credentials. Next, look for your bot token. This will usually start with xoxb-. Copy that token carefully, because this is the token Slack expects for bot-based API requests. One of the most important things to remember here is that you should not use an XOXP token or a webhook URL if the request is meant to be authenticated as a bot. That mismatch is exactly what can trigger the not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type error. After copying the bot token, go back to wherever you're making the request, whether that's Postman, your code, an API client, or a workflow tool, and replace the current token with the correct XOXB token. If you already have a token in place, double check it and make sure it is not an XOXP user token, an incoming webhook, or an outdated value from a previous setup. Then update the request header so it uses authorization, bearer XOXB-your token. This header format is important because Slack needs the token sent as a bearer token in the authorization header, and if that format is missing or incorrect, the request may fail even if the token itself is valid. Once the token and header are corrected, go back to the Slack app page and click Reinstall to Workspace. This step is often skipped, but it can be essential because Slack sometimes needs you to reinstall the app after permission or token changes so the latest access is properly applied. After the reinstall is complete, return to your API request and send it again. In many cases, the error disappears immediately once the app is using the proper bot token and the workspace has been reauthorized. If it still doesn't work, recheck 3 things. First, that the token begins with XOXB. Second, that you're sending it in the authorization header as a bearer token. And third, that the app has been reinstalled to the workspace after any changes. Those 3 checks solve the vast majority of not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type issues in Slack. So to recap, open your Slack app settings, copy the bot token, replace the old token, use the correct authorization header, reinstall the app, and then send the request again. That should get your Slack API call working the way it should. If this walkthrough fixed your issue, please give the video a like and subscribe, because I post simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides just like this one all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.